visuals here. Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamalai has reached the polling booth here to cast his vote. He is being greeted by the locals of the village, Toothupatti village. So Annamalai will think first. Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamalai and his family.
Mama, Pripa, good putting up. Think of her. Mobile, please. अरे रुकना भाई
Sir, yes, sir.
Today I have done my democratic duty, and it is an important duty for every citizen of our country, because our country is a functioning democracy where the citizens have to make the democracy to function every 5 years by coming out, turning up in large numbers and voting. And today we are extremely confident that people will repose their trust in good people, people will repose their trust in good governance, and people will stand with people who stood with them over the last 10 years. I am extremely confident that Tamil Nadu will witness a historic change on June 4, and all our candidates everywhere, they are standing with people. I am sure the people will honor all of our hard-working candidates who stood with them.
Sir, what are the issues that you are asking people to come and vote? What are the issues?
The issues are very clear, sir. 10 years of good governance they have seen. They want the governance to continue for 5 years, 5 more years. And more importantly, they know the Prime Minister, who is a functioning Prime Minister. Of course, you know the opposition, they are very clueless. The elections got over in Tamil Nadu. The India Alliance is yet to announce who is their Prime Ministerial candidate at least. So people of Tamil Nadu deserve an answer, but they couldn't give an answer. And 10 years of continuity, another 5 more years, people have made their choice very clear. And Tamil Nadu has benefited in every single point, be it the funds that is coming, be it the cultural rejuvenation, be it the glory and honor that is given to the Tamil language. If you look at all the aspects, it's the 360-degree government for the last 10 years, and people want it to continue for another 5 more years.
Sir, JDMK is alleging that in Coimbatore, money is being distributed to public by the BJP in Google Pay, Phone Pay.
I am telling you, madam, I am running this election as a matter of principle, like a davam, like a velvi. I am running this election. If the intelligence, Tamil Nadu police, DMK, ADMK, what they are doing in Coimbatore, everybody is seeing. More than 1,000 crores they have spent in Coimbatore. If they can bring one voter and make them to stand before the media to say that some BJP guy is trying to influence them, I will leave politics the same day. Because I am running this election as a matter of principle. And that's how I am seeking votes based on what we have done, based on me as a person, based on what we intend to do for Coimbatore in the next 5 years. It's an open challenge to all the Dravidian parties. And last 3-4 years, the kind of atrocity they are doing in Coimbatore, the whole people are watching. Going 500 rupee first round, 500 rupees second round, and the other party 250 rupee first round, 250 rupees second round. The whole of India is watching. Even the press is watching. I'm openly challenging the Dravidian party. You bring one voter and make that voter to stand before the people.
Mobile, please.
अरे रुकना भाई
Sir, here, sir.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.